This is Mrs. Gilbert, the reading specialist at Londonderry Elementary School. This video is part of a series about the different animal reading strategies you can use to encourage your child to take action when solving an unknown word. The strategies I'm going to show you are called Tryin Lion and Skippy Frog. When a child uses Tryin Lion, we want him to try to reread the sentence and think, what makes sense? When a child uses Skippy Frog, we want him to skip the tricky word, read to the end, go back, and try it again. Now let's read Time for Lunch. It's time for lunch, said Mother Bear. Baby Bear likes... I'm stuck on this word. Can you use Tryin Lion? Try to reread the sentence. Think what makes sense. Baby Bear likes... Well, she's picking something off the bush for him, and this word starts with B. Berries. Good. Now reread the sentence. Baby Bear likes berries. I will get some berries. Mother Bear got some berries. Yum, yum, said Mother Bear. I like berries too. Little Bear likes nuts, said Mother Bear. I will get some nuts. Mother Bear got some nuts. Yum, yum, said Mother Bear. I like nuts too. Father Bear likes fish, said Mother Bear. I will get some fish. Mother Bear got some fish. I like fish too, said Mother Bear. I don't know what this word is. Can you use Skippy Frog? Skip the tricky word, read to the end, go back and try it again, said Mother Bear. I will get some... This is the same tricky word. She's going towards a beehive, and this word begins with H. Honey, bees make honey. Great job. Now go back and reread. I like honey, said Mother Bear. I will get some honey. Mother Bear got some honey. Oh no, said Mother Bear. Mother Bear ran. She ran and ran. Yum, yum, said Mother Bear. I like honey, but I do not like bees. And that's how you can encourage your child to use Tryin Lion and Skippy Frog reading strategies to solve unknown words.